Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. So you want to clear your search history on DuckDuckGo? It's actually super simple and takes just a few seconds. Let me walk you through exactly how to do it. Step 1. First, open your web browser and navigate to the DuckDuckGo website. You can do this by typing DuckDuckGo.com into your address bar or by going to your search engine and searching for DuckDuckGo. Once the site loads, you'll see the classic DuckDuckGo homepage with the search box in the middle. Step 2. Now look at the top right corner of the page. You'll see your account settings icon, which looks like a gear or sometimes shows your profile picture if you're logged in. Click on that icon to open the settings menu. A drop-down should appear with several options for you to choose from. Step 3. In that drop-down menu, find and click on the option that says Privacy or Settings. This will take you to a page where DuckDuckGo keeps all of your personal preferences and data management options. This is the control center for your account. Step 4. Once you're in the settings area, look for a section labeled Search History or Data and Privacy. Click on that section to expand it and see all the options available. You'll notice there's a button or link that says Clear Search History or Delete All. Step 5. Finally, click that Clear History button. DuckDuckGo might ask you to confirm this action just to make sure you really want to delete everything. Click Yes or Confirm, and boom, your entire search history on DuckDuckGo is completely wiped clean. It usually happens instantly, so you'll know it worked right away.